guys, we got another duck video today. Wait, is that a fish? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. A fish in their pond. Oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing. He's still alive. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so wiggly. Oh, I'm gonna knock him out real quick. Okay. Killed him. Look at this beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it was just in their pond. Puddles, you got a fish, baby. Puddles, do you want to see the fish? There you go. You want a fish? You know, guys, we're going to make a video of me playing and giving my ducks a 5-star meal. Let's get into it. No, it's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. Guys, it'll taste so good. I promise if you wait, it'll taste delicious. You like it? It's okay. It's okay. You were so afraid of that. It's so scary. It's actually kind of funny too.
Trigger warning. If you don't want to see me cut up a fish, skip ahead to about 3 minutes 40 seconds.
Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so basically, what you want to do is I'm actually going to flip George over. I'm going to go like this. Okay, so the first step is going to be taking this fin right here, lifting it up. I'm cutting at a 45-degree angle this way. Going from there. All the way down to the tail. There you have it. Beautiful fillet. I'm gonna do that with the other side now. Okay, now we have our pieces of meat. This side was being really stubborn and this knife kind of sucks, but this piece was amazing. It turned out really well. Great little piece of meat. This is the stomach. Apparently when it's smoked, it's the best tasting piece of fish, so I'm going to hold on to that. And here are the other 2 pieces that I kind of screwed up on. This one didn't turn out too bad, but this one did. Okay, we got the fish right here. I'm going to take him outside and go and grill him. Okay, let's fire this bad boy up. Woohoo! Guys, I think I'll just do a time lapse so it doesn't take up too much time. And now we have the meat. It isn't much, but it still is good enough. Let's go inside and prepare it. This was undercooked, so I am just frying it up right now. But while that's happening, I'm going to add a little bit of fancy seasoning. Boys. First things first, the balsamic vinegar. Just gonna take it until we Okay, now we're gonna put the nice little fish right here. And we're gonna take this beautiful little piece of basil and put it right here.
No
on the
basil.
top. Okay, now we have their plate. Very beautiful, very fancy. Hope they actually eat it, unlike the grape video. And we'll be outside in just a second. Okay, here's the finished result. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's take it out and see what they think of it. Okay, here we go. Babies, I got a beautiful little fish for you. Nice little thing on top. Come on. I want you to try it. Do you like it? Do you want to taste, Mr. Puddles? Does it taste like grapes? Oh no. Oh no, I'm an idiot. Doesn't even care about the... She found the fish. Yes. Come on. Go on. Take a big juicy bite. Yeah. What do you think of it? Oh my. No. No. You ate it all. The fish. George, no. If you guys didn't know, when I said George, I meant like the fish. Puddles. Like and subscribe for 1,000 years of good luck. Oh, look, she's like reaching over to try to get more fish, but there's none left.